Alright guys, here's the waterfall, Banias Waterfall. No passage, don't climb the fence or trees. Like I said, back in the 1980s, you could go in that water. You were allowed to. You're allowed to go in that water and bathe and all that. Isn't that beautiful, Cheryl? Huh? What's that?
See where it all comes through the rocks? Several places. And a nice big pool there.
That's probably a pretty deep pool there too.
Yeah, you can see.
With the water pounding and stuff, that's probably 15 feet deep there. Gorgeous. I can't wait to eat our cold water trout from here, you know?
Yeah.
That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. There's a little pool there.
Yeah, a little deep one, yeah.
That's where people used to sit.
Yep. This is God's state. Ladies and gentlemen, this is God's state right here. This is God right here. And guess what, y'all? We're here with God, just me and Cheryl and I, and no tourists, you see? No tourists, no bus tours, no nothing. We have the whole Banias to ourselves. God's always on time for us. No lines anywhere we've been. There's been no lines for us. Check out.